If you're looking to manage deals more efficiently and streamline your sales process, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to manage deals in Salesflare, a CRM designed to simplify and automate your sales process. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Salesflare to keep your deals organized and your sales pipeline on track. First, let's talk about how Salesflare gives you a quick overview of your deals. When you log in, you'll see your sales pipeline. This is where you can track every stage of your deal flow. The pipeline gives you a clear visual representation of where each deal stands. You can customize the pipeline stages based on your sales process, making it super flexible for your needs. Managing deals in Salesflare is easy thanks to its drag and drop functionality. To move a deal from one stage to the next, you simply click and drag. It's that simple. No more complicated software or lost opportunities. Just a smooth workflow that keeps your team in sync and on top of things. But what about deal details? Salesflare makes it super easy to add or edit key information. For example, you can add deal values, set expected close dates, and assign tasks or follow-ups for each deal. You can even add notes and set reminders to stay on top of your communication with clients. It's all about staying organized without the hassle. One of the standout features of Salesflare is its ability to integrate with your email and calendar. When you receive emails from clients, Salesflare automatically logs them and links them to the relevant deal. It pulls all the important information for you, so you don't have to manually update everything yourself. This saves you time and ensures you never miss an important conversation. Another great feature is the deal insights provided by Salesflare. The software uses data to show you important metrics and trends that can help you optimize your sales process. From win rates to conversion timelines, Salesflare helps you spot areas where you can improve and close more deals faster. Now, here's the kicker. If you're new to Salesflare, I've got a great offer for you. You can try this software for completely free through the first link below. Plus, I've got some exclusive bonuses to sweeten the deal, so don't miss out. Let's talk about automation. Salesflare helps you automate repetitive tasks, so you can focus more on selling. From automated follow-ups to reminders for next actions, this feature ensures nothing falls through the cracks. It's all about improving productivity and efficiency. The software also allows you to track and manage your sales team's performance. With built-in reports, you can monitor how each team member is doing and see which deals need extra attention. This level of transparency ensures that your sales team stays aligned and performs at their best. And if you need any help, Salesflare offers excellent customer support, with resources like tutorials and a dedicated support team that can answer your questions in no time. To sum it up, Salesflare makes managing deals a breeze. With its intuitive interface, powerful automation, and data-driven insights, you'll have everything you need to manage your deals and close more sales. Don't forget to click the first link below for your exclusive and extended free trial. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thanks for watching.